Hi, my name is Jay Hollis, and I'm a WKU SKyTeach student in SMED 360. Today I'm going to be making a how-to video that will demonstrate how to use Excel for some calculations. Our lesson here, we are going to focus more on the between group variability and the within group variability. So let's go back to Excel, and we'll just leave this side open. In Excel, as you can see up here, I have three groups of data. Step one will be to calculate the mean or the average of each group. I've already designated that here, so let's do that for group one. We go to our formulas, and it is a formula that I use often, which you can see it gives you the command average, and then within parentheses is what cells. And so we can just highlight those cells, hit enter, and then our average is calculated. You can either put in that formula again, or what I like to do is I like to copy and then paste that formula for each cell that I am doing. So we have calculated the mean for group 1 to be 5, the mean for group 2 to be 9, and the mean for group 3 to be 10. And our overall mean would be 8. Okay, we're going to calculate the between group sum of squares. I'll do that by showing you the formula that we just used. Sum of squares is going to be equal to the number of data points, which is 6, multiplied by the group's mean minus the overall mean, and you can get those by just clicking on those cells. We'll do shift 6 and 2. That allows me to square this, and we get 54. And then we add that. That will give me my sum of squares here. I'll do that by using the auto function, the sum. We grab those three data points because it's going to be the sum, parentheses, then the cells that you want to use, and that gives us 84. We can then calculate the degrees of freedom. There are three groups. Degrees of freedom is always the number of groups minus 1, so that would equal 3 minus 1, or 2. And to get the actual between group mean square, okay, and I'm going to put that here, the between group mean square, that will equal our sum of squares, which was 84, divided by, which is a backslash, our degrees of freedom. And you hit return, and that gives you an answer of 42. Now we need to calculate our within group mean square. As you can see, I got group 1 complete, and I'm going to shortcut groups 2 and 3. If you will simply put only the data points in and minus the mean and put that in manually, squared, you can then copy that expression and paste it to the rest of the examples. And again, we'll do it. Now, to get my F ratio, it is basically going to be equal to our between group mean square, and we divide that by our within group mean square. If you remember our original formula, it is the between group variability over the within group variability. This is how you can use Excel to do some basic statistics, where you can follow these formulas that you find online and plug them in. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your day.